This is the new LG UltraGear OLED monitor, which is 45 inches, as you can see, a curved monitor as well. And what's special about this and the 27-inch one is that it is the world's first 240 hertz OLED monitor. And basically you get the best of both worlds. You get great display quality and maximum performance when it comes to the refresh rate. There's also a 0.03 response time, which is like super fast. You won't notice any input lag, which is important, especially if you're a competitive gamer. In the past, you either got a monitor that had a high refresh rate or one that had great picture quality with OLED. This has both without sacrificing anything. So you get the sharpest picture quality possible, very colorful, everything's very vibrant. But you also get great gaming performance. 240 hertz, that gives you a lot of room to work with. So even if you're playing a game that's running at 60 frames, 144 frames, this will capture it perfectly, so you won't miss anything. Right now, I really take away from it is the contrast between darks and lights. Like right now with these explosions, for example, I almost want to squint. It's really like powerful, very impressive. And this is just a video. I could just imagine like an actual game that's, you know, fully running natively, what it'll look like. But even just based off this video alone, I'm just really impressed by how the starkness there, and obviously everything else you can see, just how vivid all the colors are. This looks like it could be the gaming monitor of 2023, just based on what I'm seeing right now. I mean, as you can see, the graphics look absolutely stunning, and the curvature, which is 800, really makes you feel like you're immersed in the game, and you don't have to move your head to the sides or whatever. It's just everything's right in front of you. So based off the demo footage that we've seen, pretty impressive stuff. But now we're gonna get some gamers to put this monitor through its paces. Pretty excited about that. So let's check that out. Gotta slow down a little.
Yeah. So nice, bro.
Yeah. Again, these are just my first impressions, but I'm very impressed by what I've seen so far. I love the vibrancy of the display, the colors, the deep blacks, all that stuff is great. The refresh rate is pretty on point as well. Again, you don't normally see that with OLED monitors. You always have to sacrifice picture quality for performance. Now, you get both of them, which is very cool. As you saw, the craziest thing was the fact that Sage, a professional fighting game player, had to slow down his combos because of the monitor, the high refresh rate. That's wild. So if it can help out a competitive gamer like him, it's gonna help out a shub like me who just plays regular games. So very, very cool stuff. The UltraGear monitors are coming very soon. The 45-inch model is coming out on December 28th for $16.99, and the 27-inch model is coming out on January 2nd for $9.99. I'm a big gamer myself, so I'm very, very excited to test these out myself, and that should be coming to you pretty soon. So keep an eye on Tom's Guide for everything about these monitors, gaming, and all other sorts of tech goodies. Once again, I was Tony Polanco. I'll see you later.